Okay, this is the process to remove the cargo bed lift. So you're gonna start by removing this bolt, which is a 13 millimeter bolt with a 50 millimeter nut. You just push this out. Sometimes this can get really tight. You can use a hammer to hit a little bit, or wiggle the cargo bed around a little bit, and that will release it. So now you have more space. You can pull these down and it'll stay all the way here. But for a better access to the lift, you can come here and unbend this pin in here and remove the whole thing on both sides. I'll show you. You just wiggle the cargo bed around. So okay. Also, before you take the cargo bed off, make sure to unplug the brake lights and the backup lights. There's 2 cables on each side. Okay, now we're ready to take away the cargo bed. Now we're gonna remove the bed. That way we have easy access to the bolt. Okay, then we're gonna unplug the cable sensor. We're gonna start by pressing really hard and pulling hard. Then we're gonna need so here we have, as before, we have a number 15 bolt and a number 13 bolt and a number 15 nut. So we're gonna there we go. Okay, we're gonna install the new lift for the cargo bed. You install that 13 millimeter bolt with the 15 millimeter nut. And we need to tight. Make sure this is not over tight. You need to be loose a little, as long as you know the bolt is tight with the nut. Then you plug in the connector and you're ready to install the cargo bed. And always make sure when you install the lift, it's properly working. Now we can put the cargo bed on. always remember that you need to bend the pin back so that one can hold together to prevent from sliding. There you go. Now we're gonna pull back the cargo bed. That way you can have more space. And we're gonna put the bolt that goes in the lift. So you will have better access. You can raise up the lift. That way you'll have more space. And always make sure that these are back in place. Sometimes these can fall apart. So always make sure you put them back. Okay, we're gonna go almost all the way. Okay, that's all the way up. Now we want to okay. So now we can install the nut. Now we can tighten. That's it. We'll make sure it goes down. Okay, and one more thing. Remember to plug back the lights. So it's gray with gray, white with white on both sides. Okay, that's the whole process.